What's up everyone, my name is Erroll James and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to repair my 1994 C4 Corvette headlight motor assembly, specifically the gears. I have already completed the passenger side, so today I'm going to show you how I did it on the driver's side. So let's get started. Alright guys, first we gotta protect the paint. There she is. First thing I did is I disconnected the hood lights. It's right here. Did that and do on the other side as well. And this will make sure that you won't drain your battery. And then you can disconnect the headlight itself. Now it's disconnected. What I'm gonna do, you're gonna take off these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. I'll be using 10 millimeters and a ratchet, and I also recommend using a microfiber towel to protect it. On the last nut, I would hold the headlight, just kind of keep it in place. Take it out. Now you have to be very careful and be very careful and take it out. She's out. Now it's out. It's time to get to work. Alright, what I would recommend, I would use some t-shirt. You want to protect the paint. Two, 3 over there, and 4. For this one over there, it's gonna be tricky. You're gonna need to move this, but I'll show you later. I'll be using a T30. You can either use this one or this one with a ratchet. Some parts it's easier to use this one, some parts it's easier to use this. Again, take your time. Some of the bolts are loose. Now for the bolt here, you're going to want to turn it. Start turning it until it's 90 degrees. So you can get access in that bolt. See how the pin is already out? It shouldn't be like that. It should be flush. Now you don't need to take that out completely. All you need to do is just loosen it so you can easily move the assembly out. But remember this, when you take it out, you gotta remember how the wire is so that when you put it back, you remember. Remember, before you take this out, I would recommend taking out the pin first so that you have a stable platform. So you actuate it back to make it as flat as it can. And then you'll be using a punch that will fit this, and then I would hammer it. Now you don't have to hammer it super hard, just enough to take out the pin. There you go. Now you can take out this bolt. Forgot about this bolt. You need to take out this one. And the last one. It is out. So now you're going to take out these 3 using a 1/4. And 3. Take this out. Now to take this out, you gotta push it back. Wow, it's still intact. But look at that, it's ready cracking. Good thing I opened this, because like eventually I'm gonna have to replace it anyway, so it's really deteriorating, as you can see. See that? It's really cracked. Now we're replacing it with these. Now I can still reuse this, but just might as well replace it with a better product. I think it's made out of brass, so, or metal. Replace it with these. Now I'm also going to replace the gasket. See how it's already starting to deteriorate. Replacing that with this one, with new ones. And that is it. Now we're going to install everything in backwards. For the broken pin, I ended up going to Harbor Freight to buy the assortment pin. I think this should work. And that is it. So now we're going to install the headlights back.